Hi, everyone. Welcome back to DaSpiritual Bombs. Today, I'm sharing a powerful DIY project, how to create your own spiritual bath blend. Not only will I teach you the how-to, but I'll also give you the background on why spiritual baths are vital for your energetic and emotional well-being. Plus, I'll show you how to prepare ingredients with simple supplies from around your home, and I'll provide some easy recipes you can try on a budget, and even how to adapt this ritual if you prefer showers. This isn't just a DIY, it's an empowerment tool rooted in cultural, spiritual, and energetic traditions. Let's begin. Historical and cultural significance of spiritual baths. Spiritual baths have been a part of many indigenous African, Caribbean, and Native American cultures for millennia. These baths serve as rituals of purification, protection, and blessing. Historically, they provided a spiritual tool to cleanse away kin related trauma, energetic blockages, or environmental negativity. In Yoruba tradition, for example, spiritual baths called Igbo are used to honor ancestors, invite divine favor, and clear negative energies before starting new projects. Indigenous North American tribes used herbal infusions and water ceremonies for healing and renewal. Caribbean spiritual practices incorporate herbs, oils, and salt for ancestral veneration and protection. The common thread across these cultures is the use of natural elements, herbs, salt, and oils, each with specific spiritual and energetic properties. These practices were and are still powerful ways to purify the essence of a person or space, aligning with universal energy. Why are ritual bath ingredients powerful? Salt, particularly sea salt or Epsom salt, has been used since ancient times as an energetic cleanser. Sea salt comes from the ocean, embodying the energy of water and the inherent cleansing properties of the sea. It's believed to absorb and clear negative energies, restore balance, and invite purity. Herbs such as sage, rosemary, mugwort, or lavender are not just aromatic, they carry specific vibrational frequencies. For instance, sage is widely known for its ability to cleanse space and aura, connecting to Native American smudging traditions. Rosemary clears mental fog and protects against psychic attack. Lavender promotes relaxation and spiritual upliftment. Mugwort is used in dreams and psychic work. These herbs work synergistically with water to amplify energetic cleansing. Essential oils, concentrated plant extracts are used for their precise energetic vibrations. Frankincense, for example, has been used since ancient Egypt for spiritual purification and connecting with divine realms. Eucalyptus aids in mental clarity and protection. Each oil has its own vibrational signature and is chosen based on the specific intent of your bath. Other elements, like herbs or additives such as honey, clay, or flower petals, can enhance the ritual, but the core principle relies on understanding how these natural materials interact with your energy. Modern energy healing recognizes that water and herbs carry vibrational frequencies that influence human energy fields. Salt acts as an energetic conductor, drawing out negativity and allowing positive energy to flow freely. Herbal infusions serve as energetic amplifiers. Their subtle frequencies can help shift mental and emotional states. Essential oils, molecularly concentrated, are absorbed through the skin and aromatically influence limbic brain structures, affecting mood and emotional health. When used intentionally, they raise your vibration and align your auric field. Creating your custom spiritual bath, choosing ingredients based on your goal, cleansing, sea salts, sage, rosemary, and eucalyptus, protection, sea salt, mugwort, bay leaves, and frankincense, love and relationships, rose petals, lavender, and ylang ylang oil, mental clarity, peppermint, eucalyptus, and lemon zest. Fill your tub with hot water, enough to comfortably soak. Add salt, about 1 to 2 cups depending on tub size. Dissolve thoroughly. Add herbs, loose or in a muslin bag, focused on your intention. Pour in essential oils, 3 to 10 drops, based on your preference. Visualize your intention while preparing. Speak affirmations such as, I release negativity, or I invite protection and peace. Immerse yourself, relax, and meditate with your intention active in your mind. Here are some free spiritual bath recipes feel free to use to do a skin test before using anything new. I have also provided them in the link below. Shower method for quick cleansing. If you don't have a bathtub, repeat the process with a herbal sachet or herbal infused water poured over the body during your shower. You can also use a small bowl of herbal water to sprinkle over your shoulders or hands as a quick energetic reset, visualizing negativity washing away. Remember, your intention is the strongest force in this ritual. These ingredients are tools, but your focus and belief amplify their power. Practice regularly, hold sacred space for yourself, and watch your energy transform. Thanks for watching. If you try these methods, I'd love to hear about your experiences in the comments. Like, subscribe, and visit our site for more spiritual tools and guidance.